Good evening, welcome back on SMTV. So today I will speak about my communication skills. So let's talk about it. So my friend, in a previous my videos, lots of people, they are complaining me against my language, because lots of people, lots of my friend and many more peoples there, they don't understand my language, and they are requesting me in a comment box that why don't you speak in Hindi, because we don't understand and it is benefited for me to speak in Hindi. So guys, for those guys, I want to tell him that be a patience, give me a time to work, and inshallah very soon I will speak in Hindi. I'm just speak in English just because of I'm just developing my skills. So guys, what is the problem? I know that I'm staying in a very small villages, and it is the adjoining areas, it is very, there is a lack of qualifications, so I know that what is the actual problems, and in a last video I get so many calls from the viewers and my friends, and why don't you speak in Hindi, because we don't understand, because if you speak in Hindi, that is really makes advantages for you. So when the people are understanding your language, your views increasing day by day, it is your benefited, so my friend, be a patience, and I started in English. It is just because of development of my skills, so give me a time to work, let me work out, and after some time, very soon I will be speaking Hindi. So friends, why I start in English, because when I was staying at Gulf countries and I was speaking English, that moment, and I have a great communication skills, and when I came back from there, there is I'm not getting a good environment, and I think I'm disconnecting with my skills, and my friend, I don't want to lost it my speak in English, because this is also my dream in speak in English, always trying. When I was in schooling, when I was in college life, I always try to speak in English, so my friend, give me some time, let me work out, and very soon I will came in Hindi, and you will enjoy it definitely, so one day I reach 1000 subscriber, one of my videos, it is a gift from on the behalf of myself to my viewers. So wait for some time, and let me work out. And so guys, it is a very casually video I am making regarding my communication skills, so I hope that you all are considering it in a positive way. And still I'm struggling, and how to face the cameras, and the confidently, I'm not speaking, so you can consider it, I'm still in learning period, when I got experience in this platform, definitely I will speak in Hindi, I will speak in English, both of the language I will speak. So this time it is very difficult, to the both language we continue. So guys, thank you very much to watching my videos, and take care of yourself, take care of your family, and have a nice day and have a great times. Thank you very much.